Hello my loves, and welcome to my channel. I'm happy to make a choice to meditate today and nurture your body, mind, and your soul. Let's getting into comfortable seated position. Close your eyes now. Bring your hands together and take a moment for gratitude. Focus for what you have grateful today. I'm grateful for this new day. I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful for my loved one. I'm grateful for the sun, earth, and the air I can breathe. I'm grateful for these moments of peace. Release your hand back to your knees. If you can choose, make your palms up for receiving or down for grounding. Take 3 deep breaths with open mouth. Feel your relaxation follow your body. Then close your mouth and breathe through your nose for the rest of meditation. Start bringing awareness to and relaxing the entire body. Relax for your head and your eyebrows. Relax all your facial muscles. Breathe in and out your exhale. Relax your shoulders down. Relax your arms. Relax your hands, your fingers. Relax your heart. Relax your stomach. Relax your lips, your thighs, your knees. Relax your feet. Relax your toes. Feel your body totally relax. To feel a stillness. You mean your breath is slowing down as your body calms down. Stillness feels naturally. Just observe now your body naturally breathing in and out. Be the observer of your breath. Your body already knows what to do. If you notice thoughts surrounding your mind, don't worry or judge. Just simply observe them, let it go. Thoughts like clouds. You don't need to do anything but observe the release like cloud. Let them come and go. As a breath in, imagine positive light energy coming into your body through your crown, which is the very top point of your head. As you breathe out, imagine that positive energy flowing through your body all the way down your limbs, pushing all energy out through the tips of your toes. Breathe in positive, loving energy. Breathe out and let the positive energy flow through you and washing away any negative thoughts and any negative energy and emotions that serving you. As you feel positive light energy surrounding you, Feel free to receive these positive affirmations with me in your mind. I am worthy as I am. I am enough as I am. I am strong. I am brave. I am resilient. I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself exactly as I am. I am guided. I am protected. I am loved. I am safe. I am express myself freely. I choose love over fear. I lead with light. Now you have the tools to relax your entire physical body. Renew your energetic body with positive light energy and reset your mind with positive loving affirmations. Continue meditation on your own. Breathe and connect with the stillness and peace. Observe your surrounding with a fresh perspective and continue your day with positive and gratitude. Begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Bring your hands together and return to your gratitude. What about your life are you grateful for? Take 3 deep breaths with an open mouth. Exhale. Now open your eyes and see the beautiful